Hey everyone, Britt from SmartBug. And every now and then we have a client that comes to us and say, hey SmartBug, can you help us manage this particular business process inside of HubSpot? Maybe it doesn't fit the standard company contact deals product, but can you help us figure this out? Well, recently we had the opportunity to do that, and I'm here to show you this and what I think is one of the most underutilized features in HubSpot, the custom object pipeline. That you run a company that rents equipment. So in this case, we're thinking like equipment for home improvement projects. So carpet cleaners, jackhammers, things needed, people need to do things around the house. So in this demo portal, I've created a very simple equipment object. And we come to the screen, you'll see the equipment name, maybe give a tag number, when it's rented, a lease in, a lease start, lease end. But if I have a pipeline defined, I can now have this great board view. So I can now look and see everything I need to see about where everything is. What's available, what's leased, what's overdue. So you're probably wondering, how do I set this up? This looks really cool. So go into the settings menu, and under data management, if you click down to custom objects, you'll see I already have it pulled up here. This is my equipment custom object, and you can click on pipelines to come in here, create a pipeline, and start defining. Give it whatever stages you need. You can mark it as status open and closed if you need for any reporting needs. And once you have this set up, now you can only let your imagination run wild with the type of automations you could do to help manage your business using the custom object pipeline.